Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Afika Wulan Ramadhani. My last student number is 515. I will present the consumer market and buyer behavior. 1. Consumer buyer behavior. Consumer buyer behavior is the buying behavior of final consumer, individual, and household that buy goods and services for personal consumption. And 2. Consumer market. Consumer market is all the individual and household that buy or acquire goods and services for personal consumption. Thank you.
Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Television Trikantara Bastom and my student number is 528. So I'm going to explain the model of consumer behavior. So what is a consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is the study of how people make decisions about what they buy, want, need, or act in regards to a product, service, or company. It is critical to understand consumer behavior to make how potential customer will respond to a new product or service. It also helps companies to identify opportunities that are not currently met. The central question to various marketing are how do consumer respond to various marketing effort the company make use. The starting point is the stimulus response model or buying behavior shown in my image, an image on my presentation. This figure show the marketing and other stimuli enter the consumer's black box and produce certain response. The meaning of the black box itself is we can measure the wants, where, and whens of buyer behavior, but it's difficult to see inside the consumer heads and figure out the why. That's why it's called black box. Marketers want to understand how to stimulate our change into response inside the customer's black box, which has two parts. First, the buyer characteristics influence how he or she perceive and react to the stimuli. These characteristics include a variety of cultural, social, personal, and psychological factors. Second, the buyer decision process itself affects his or her behavior, and the decision process from need recognition, information search, and alternative evaluation to the purchase decision and post-purchase behavior began long before the actual purchase decision and continue long after. Maybe that's all I can explain. The next material will be explained by my friend. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Ananda Salsabila and my study number is 533. So, here I will presentation a description of the characteristic that influence consumer behavior. Consumer purchase are strongly influenced by cultural, social, personal, and psychological characteristic. So, here I will discuss about the cultural factor and social factor. So first is cultural factor. Cultural factor exert a broad and deep influence on consumer behavior. Markets need to understand the role played by the buyer's culture, subculture, and social class. Culture. Culture is the most basic cause of a person's wants and behavior. Human behavior is largely learned. Growing up in a society, a child learns basic value, perception, wants, and behavior from his or her family and other important institution. And then subculture. Each culture contains smaller subculture or groups of people which share value system based on common life experience and situation. Subculture include nationalities, religion, racial group, and geographic region. Many subcultures make up important marketing segment, and marketers often design product and marketing programs tailored to their needs. Example of the three such important subculture groups are Hispanic American, African American, and Asian American consumer. And social class. Almost every society has some form of social class structure. Social class are society relatively permanent and order division whose members share similar value, interests, and behavior. Social scientists have identified seven American social classes: upper class, lower upper class, upper middle class, working class, upper lower class, and lower lower class. Social class is not determined by a single factor, such as income, but is measured as a combination of occupation, income, education, wealth, and other variables. In some social systems, members of different classes are rated for certain roles and cannot change their social position. In the United States, however, the lines between social class are not fixed and rigid. People can move to a higher social class or drop into a lower one. Next is social factor. Social factor. A consumer behavior also is influenced by social factor, such as the customer small group, social network, family, and social roles and status. First is group and social networks. Many small groups influence a person's behavior. Groups that have a direct influence and to which a person belongs are called membership group. Marketers try to identify the reference group of their target market. Reference group expose a person to new behavior and lifestyle, influence the person's attitude and self-concept, and create pressure to conform that may affect the person's product and brand choice. The importance of group influence varies across product and brands. It tends to be strongest when the product is visible to others whom the buyers respect. Next is family. Family member can strongly influence buyer behavior. The family is the most important consumer buying organization in society, and it has been researched extensively. Marketers are interested in the roles and influence of the husband, wife, and children on the purchase of different products and services. And last is role and status. A person belongs to many group family, club or organization online community. The position of the people in each group can be determined in terms of role and status. Role consists of activities that people are expected to carry out in accordance with those around them. Each role has a status that reflects the general respect given to it by society. People usually choose product according to their role and status. Consider the various roles that a working mother plays. So I think this is the last presentation from me, and next will be continued by my friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Muhammad Syauki Ardansyah with my study number 549. I will explain about characteristic affecting customer behavior. First, personal factor. Personal factor are factors yourself first. There is a one occupation because the population determine what's goods are services the population needs. 2. Age and life stage. Age also has an effect on buyer demands. And 3. Economic situation. The economic situation is also very influential. And 4. Lifestyle. This factor is influential because we know what they need to meet their style needs. And the 5 personality and self-concept. And the second is the psychological factor. Psychological factor is internal and environmental factor. And there is a motivation. Motivation is very important because motivation can ensure you to be better. And 2. Perception. We also need to know people perception about what goods or service we will sell so that we can adjust them. And 3. Learning. We also have to always keep learning so that we can always be better. And the last one is the belief and attitudes. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for opportunity. My name is Dimas Muhammadulil Gibran. My student number 560. Here I will continue present from my friend. Here I will explain about buying decision behavior and the buyer decision process. Here's 4 point. Point 1, complex buying behavior. Consumer buying behavior in situation characteristic by high consumer influence in purchase and significant perceived difference among brand. Point 2, dissonance reducing buying behavior. Consumer buying behavior in situation characteristic by high influence but few perceived difference among brand. Number 3, habitual buying behavior. Consumer buying behavior situation characteristic by low consumer influence and few significant perceived brand deficiencies. Next number point 4. Variety seeking buying behavior. Consumer buying behavior in situation characteristic by low consumer influence but significant perceived brand difference. Next, the buyer decision process. Here 5 point. Number 1 point 1, net reconciliation. Number 2, information shares. Number 3, evaluation of alternative for purchase decision. Number 5, post purchase behavior. Number 1, net recognition. The first stage of the buyer decision process in which the consumer recognition problem or net. Information shared. The stage of the buyer decision process in which the consumer is motivation to share from more information. Number 3, alternative evaluation is the stage of the buyer decision process in which the consumer uses information to evaluation alternative brand in the choice set. Number 4, purchase decision. The buyer decision about which brand to purchase. Number 5, post to purchase behavior. is the stage of the buyer decision process in which consumer take further action after purchase based on their satisfaction or dissatisfaction. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Bagas Barul Ulum. My starter number is 562. The buyer destination process for new product. We know look at how buyer approach the hours of new product. A new product is a good service or idea that is received by some produce customer as new. It might have been around for a while, but our interest in is how customer learn about product for the first time and make decisions on whether to adopt them. We define the adoption process as the mental process through which an individual passes from first learning about an motivation to final adoption. Adoption is the destination by an individual to become a regular user of the product. Next, stage in the adoption process. Customer go through 5 steps in the process of adopting a new product. The customer becomes aware of the new product but lack information about it. 2. Interest. The customer seeks information about the new product. 3. Evaluation. The customer consider whether trying the new product makes sense. 4. Trial. The customer tests the new product on a small to improve his or the estimate it is value. 5. Adoption. The customer decides to make full and regular use of the new product. Next, individual difference in innovative. People different greatly in their readiness to try new product in each product area. The are consumption pioneers and early adopters. Other individuals adopt new product much later. People can be classified into the adopter category shown in as shown by the curve. After a slow start, an increased number of people adopt the new product as successive group of customers adopt the innovation. It eventually return is cumulative saturation level. Innovators are defined as the first adopter a new idea or dash beyond to start definition from main adoption time. The early adopter are the next present or between 1 and 2000 definitions and the early mainstream. That mainstream and like adopters. Thanks presentation from our group. If anywhere wrongly forgiven. Thank you.